Dear friends and my fellow human beings, this is RK. Today we have an interesting topic. We are going to share 20 fascinating facts about the world of birds. Yes, the world of birds. Without much ado, let us now go into the facts. Number 1. The sword-billed hummingbird is the only bird with a bill longer than its body. Wow. Number 2. There are 9,500 species of birds in the world. Scientists typically group them into 30 categories, 30. Birds are the most widespread of all animals around the world. Number 3. A bird's lungs are much more complicated and efficient and take up more space than those of the mammals like human beings. A human's lungs compose about 1/20th of its body, but for a bird it takes up 1/5 of its body. Number 4. The only bird with nostrils at the end of its beak is kiwi. This placement helps it sniff for food such as worms and insects. That's interesting. Number 5. Unlike most birds that sing, a woodpecker will drum its beak against a tree. Other woodpeckers can identify which bird it is by the sound of the drumming. Number 6. The most talkative bird in the world is the African grey parrot. One parrot could say over 800 words. Most species of the parrots can learn only 50, whereas the African grey parrots can learn up to 800 words. That's fascinating. Number 7. The Japanese Crested Ibis is one of the rarest birds in the world, and probably fewer than 50 crested ibises are alive today. That's unfortunate. Number 8. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Yes, you heard it right. They can fly backward. Number 9. The marsh warbler can mimic more than 80 different birds. The other renowned mimics include mockingbirds and lyrebirds. Number 10. Ostrich lays the biggest egg in the world, which weighs 3 pounds. Number 11. Social weaver birds live in huge communal nests that look like a huge haystack spread across a treetop. Some nests can weigh a few tons and can have over 400 birds living in them and maybe 100 years old. That's really fascinating. Number 12. Flamingos. Yes, flamingos pair for a lifetime. They can stay with their mates for 50 years or more. Number 13. Approximately 75% of wild birds live for less than a year. The larger the bird, the more likely it is to live longer. The large wandering albatross, for example, can live up to 80 long years. Number 14. Arctic terns have the longest annual migration of any bird. They fly 25,000 miles from the Arctic to the Antarctic and then back again. Number 15. Sooty tern. It spends more time in the air than any other bird. It takes off over the ocean and flies for at least 3 years without settling on water or land. They also spend most of their lives in the air. They can even sleep in the air by gliding on the air currents with their wings outstretched. Number 16. An albatross can soar for as long as 6 hours without moving its wings. Number 17. The heaviest bird in the air is Kori Bustard from East and South Africa. It weighs about 14 kilograms, with the largest recorded 18 kilograms. Because it is such a hard work for that bird to fly, so it flies only in emergencies and only for short distances. Number 18. The slowest flying bird is the American woodcock. It can fly at just 5 miles per hour. That's too slow. Number 19. Crows. Yes, you heard it right. Crows can recognize and remember human faces, particularly faces they associate with bad experiences. They can even share their grudge against a specific person with other crows. So beware of crows. Number 20. The giant cassowaries are called the modern day dinosaurs and the most dangerous bird. It can kill a person by attacking them. It is native to the tropical forest in New Guinea, Aru Islands and the northeastern Australia. Friends, hope you would have enjoyed these facts. There are thousands of facts about the birds and their world, and what we know is very, very limited. These facts make us humble as human beings and also make us understand how small we are in this vast planet and the universe. Let us respect our fellow living beings, give them the space, and preserve and protect this wonderful planet. See you all again in the next video. Till then, take care and see you. If you like this video, please like, share, comment in the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for receiving notifications about our videos. Thank you and bye-bye.